Hello everyone, welcome to our class. For class 2, in chapter 2, today we are going to see parts of the computer. Part 2. In our previous class, we learned about what is a monitor, CPU cabinet, keyboard and mouse. Now we learn about microphone, speakers and headphones. Before that, we should learn about multimedia. Multimedia. Multi means more than one. Is using more than one medium of expression or communication. It's a multimedia. Let us see the definition for multimedia. Multimedia refers to content that is a combination of text, sound, video, animation and graphics. Okay? It can be either a text, sound, video, animation and graphics. It's referred to a multimedia. Next, we should see what is meant by multimedia computer. A computer system that allows you to play high-end games, listen to high-quality music, watch movies and work on text is called a multimedia computer. Okay children, do you all understand what is meant by multimedia and multimedia computers? Let us see what are the multimedia devices. A microphone, speakers and headphones when attached to computer form the sound system of the computer. They are a part of a multimedia devices of the computer. Okay children? Now we see about microphone. It is used to record different sounds. Okay? Through the microphone you can be recorded different sounds. Next, speakers. They are used to listen to recorded sounds as well as music. Okay children? And then headphones. What is the use of the headphone? It's used to listen to recorded sound as well as the music without disturbing others. Only one person who is wearing the headphone can listen to the sound. Okay? Now we learn about input and output devices. You have studied about the various parts of a computer. You can also know about other useful devices that are used with a computer. All these devices can be divided into two types. One is the input device and another one is the output device. Input devices. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Let us see what are the input devices. First one is keyboard, mouse and microphones. What is the use of the keyboard? It's used to enter a data into the computer by typing the keys on the keyboard. Okay? Next, mouse is a pointing device. It's used to point the item on the monitor. And microphone is used to record various sounds and musics. Okay? Output devices. They are used to give output and show the result. The output may be words, letters, images or sounds. Let us see what are the output devices. First one is monitor, printer, speakers and headphones. Monitor is used to watch movies, cartoons and sports. Printer is used to take a copy of your work. Next, speakers are used to listen to music and recorded sounds. And the headphone is used to listen the music and sounds without disturbing others. Okay children? Next, move on to our next topic, UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted. What is the meaning of the word? Continuously. Okay? Even your power supply goes off, the computer cannot stop working. It continues, it process because of the UPS. Okay? Next, a UPS keeps computer working for some time even after the electricity goes off. Okay children? Do you all understand what is the use of the UPS? Now, we see about floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive. They are used to store information permanently. Let us see how the floppy disk looks like. It looks like square in shape. See the image? This is the floppy disk. Next, both the CD and DVD are round and of the same size. Okay? How the CD and DVD looks like? It looks like a round in shape. Okay? It's look like a ball. Right? A CD can store more information than a floppy disk. However, a DVD stores more information than a CD. Okay children, let us see the full form of CD and DVD. First one, CD. CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital versatile disc or digital video disc. Okay children. Nowadays, floppy disks are hardly used. CDs, DVDs and pen drives are more common as they can store more information. Okay? Now, we learn about hard disk. The image on the screen. Okay children? This is the hard disk without the top cover. Okay? Let us see what is a hard disk. A hard disk can also be connected externally to the computer. Okay? These are called portable hard disk. Such type of hard disk are used to transfer large amount of data. Let us see how the hard disk looks like. It looks like a small box. Right? It is usually found inside the CPU cabinet when you save a file on the computer. It is saved on the hard disk. Next, pen drive. A pen drive is also called a flash drive. It is easy to use and small enough to be carried in your packet. Okay, because it is smaller in size. So you can carry it in your packet. Thank you.